Microbial fuel cells versus traditional batteries. Hello, today I will talk about microbial fuel cells and traditional batteries. I will explain how a normal battery works and how microbial fuel cells generate electricity. Then I will compare their advantages and limitations. How a normal battery works. A normal battery produces electricity using a chemical reaction called oxidation reduction. Inside the battery, there are three main parts: anode, cathode, and electrolyte. During the reaction, electrons move from the anode to the cathode through an external circuit. This movement of electrons creates electricity and powers machines. At the same time, ions move through the electrolyte to balance the charge. When the chemical materials are used up, the battery stops producing electricity. Chemical batteries versus MFCs. Chemical batteries generate electricity using chemical reaction from stored materials. However, microbial fuel cells use the metabolism of bacteria. In MFCs, microbes break down organic matters such as dirty water or food waste. During this process, protons and electrons are produced, which generate electricity. While batteries stop when chemicals run out, MFCs can keep producing electricity as long as the microbes are alive. Advantage of MFCs. Microbial fuel cells have several advantages. First, they use renewable resource. Second, they are an eco-friendly technology. Microbe can produce sustainable energy without using fossil fuels. Another benefit is that MFCs produce almost no waste. They can also help treat wastewater, meaning they can generate electricity while cleaning water. Because of this benefit, many scientists are studying this technology. Limitation of MFCs. However, MFCs also have limitations. First, they produce a low output of electricity. Currently, they can only power small systems or models. Second, the system is complex and requires specific conditions or microbes to stay active. Also, electricity generation is relatively slow because it depends on microbial metabolism. Because of this challenge, commercialization is still difficult. In conclusion, traditional batteries generate electricity using chemical reactions. Microbial fuel cells use bacteria to produce electricity from organic waste. Although MFCs are eco-friendly and renewable, they still have technical limitations. In the future, this technology may become an important source of sustainable energy. Thank you for listening.